Jumbo, everybody. We're into Animal Kingdom on this beautiful, sunny, 60-degree day.
It's awesome.
And it feels great.
It does.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.
I'm pretty much in love with Pluto. Like, he's got an ugly Christmas sweater on, the castle, and Mickey's, and look, his tongue flops and his tail flops. It's pretty cute. No, oh yeah, the ears flop too. He's really cute. We're gonna go into Flight of Passage. No. I wish it was that one.
Going into?
Navi River Journey to use our Fast Pass.
Okay. Well, Pandora, but yes.
Because I wasn't able to get the other one. Thank goodness for a Fast Pass. It's a 95-minute wait right now for that one. Quite the build up to the end.
Yeah. I think they slowed it down. I don't remember us doing slow.
That's good that it's slow. You want to enjoy it.
I felt like we were going through it really fast.
And you're like, that was it?
Like it's half of that. Very quickly at Satuli Canteen. And Got a bunch of forks.
well, I wanted to make sure we were eating our cheesecake with a separate fork from the entree.
Oh, that's awfully thoughtful.
I was very thoughtful, thank you. I got the beef one with the black beans and rice and no sauce because I'm picky. And
I got the combo because they did a combo now. They didn't used to with the beef and the chicken, and then I did noodles this time.
Noodles?
Yeah.
And we got a beautiful cheesecake and sharing a drink, and it was $42 for all of this.
Anymore. I was like, where's the lid?
No, they've never done a lid here.
I just didn't remember
Because
that.
the animals.
Obviously.
Here's your sauce.
Thank you.
And I love this restaurant. It's so pretty.
Try your rice and beans. I want to see. I want to see if you like them.
Will you take that stuff off of there in a minute?
Yeah.
I complained about nothing. It's just really good.
It's the same, right?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Looks like a large, shiny, moving rock, but I think they'll figure it out. Not actually a large, shiny, moving rock, though. It looks like we're getting a way better view up here on our left of us. We'll see the length of his horns is way shorter than the other two, so probably pretty young, maybe less than 6 months old. Don't actually get their name because they're white in skin tone. However, they get the word white from the Afrikaans word white, which translates, meaning
tigers are frequently encountered in the ruins ahead.
oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh, there's one over here too.
It's beautiful.
He's better than them.
Oh, it's a viper.
That's gotta be the male. The daddy. Okay, so we were wrong.
You call it?
So we were wrong.
I know.
That's mom. They separated the mom and the babies a little while ago.
Sounds like the mom kicked it.
Yeah, the mom was like, no,
I'm done with the cubs.
we're not gonna be together anymore.
That's what it sounds like.
There they are. They are big now. Remember we saw them when they were
Little tiny.
almost 4 months old. We're linked it up in the corner here. That's, oh, look at that, yeah. A roll on the belly. They're like 1.5 years old now. We had to get a hat because he forgot his at home on the trip. So Mickey, Nike hat it is.
Very nice though.
And it had to get a water because it's kind of like, I'm parched. It's not hot, it's just I'm just thirsty.
You know, our current attire.
Yeah, but it'll feel good.
Making that half-a-mile journey to come see you. And when they head home, which they're about to do, they'll get even more treats and toys as well. So get those cameras up. You're in this spot, you're in the best spot possible. The cute little girl on the shoulders is gonna get the best view. All of you, and I hope you guys are ready. If you have video slow-mo and you can catch it, it's pretty amazing because these birds are about ready to show you what they do best.
They're very pretty birds. Oh, yeah, clean those feathers.
It's amazing. Well, maybe you can go outside, you can look up.
Clean those feathers. The vulture's right over here to the left, right? Vulture's right back to the left?
Yeah, way back there. See the top of his head there?
Oh, I love
I forget what kind of vulture it is, but it's a big one.
Bus and beach or yacht club, we think.
Yeah.
And then that way we have a good back entrance to Epcot, which is where we need to be.
And it puts us right by the UK pavilion, which is perfect. Oh, here we go. We made it. Made it to Yacht Club. Oh, it does smell really good in here.
I love the train set. The train.
Oh yeah. What train set? Oh. I didn't know there was one over here. Oh yeah, you're right. I did.
Such a cool tree.
Very cool tree. Let's go check out the train set. That's awesome. Oh yeah. The train's coming around the other side here. I don't know where the train is. Oh, here it comes. It's coming really slowly. Choo-choo. So the Yacht Club has now one more functioning train than Magic Kingdom.
They even have Hurricane Hannah's right there. Look at that. This is the Beach Club gingerbread carousel. Look at all the hidden Mickeys on there. And then at the very top is Donald and Daisy. Oh, I wouldn't have noticed that one.
And then the one on the main over there.
Oh yeah, and then hidden Mickey. There's Mickey's at the bottom.
There's one right there.
Where? Oh, in the icing, yeah.
And then one on its neck, right where the very main goes up. See like gold in there?
Yeah.
And then there was another one on that horse. So on this one, it's right there by its leg, right by Donald Duck.
Oh yeah.
And then there's one on its tail there. See it? Right there on its tail. This one right there on its neck.
Oh yeah, the neck, yeah.
And then
The Mickey and the wreath.
yeah. There's one on one of its toes.
Is there any up top? Oh, and the hoof, yeah.
Right there.
Is there any up top?
I don't know, I've been looking at the first one.
So this is made out of 36 pounds of honey, 96 pounds of flour, 100 pints of eggs, 10 pounds of spices, 210 pure paste flours. It's pretty cool that there's a different one every single time, every year.
Yeah. That's awesome, right?
It smells very sugary.
Phenomena.